Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix login problems on PayPal. So let's begin. So here we are in paypal.com. This is the official website that you would want to use if you are having trouble signing in into your PayPal, because you might be using your phone to sign in into your PayPal and you're using the mobile app. Then I suggest that you go into this website right here instead of the app, because that might be the one causing errors. There might be a bug or error with the app, that is why you cannot log in PayPal. So once you're here, what you want to do is click here on log in, and from here you can go and try again right here. You provide your email or your mobile number right here and enter your password right here. So once you've done that and it's still not working, then I suggest that you go here and forget password. And from here, you need to go and provide your email address or username. But if you don't know your email, you may click here, forget your email, and you would need to enter the 3 email addresses you may have used to create your PayPal account. And you would need to provide it right here, the 3 email addresses. So if you remembered it, you're in luck, you would be able to get your email address. But let's say we have our email address, we know our email address right here. So we're just gonna go and click next. And after this, PayPal would ask us to receive a task message. This is a code that we need to enter in the next step. So you need to connect your mobile into your PayPal right there. So if you have connected it, then you can go and proceed right here. Click on next, and from here you can just enter your code right here. But yeah, once you enter this code, then you would be able to change your password right here if you entered it correctly. But I'm not going to proceed because I don't want to change my password for this account. But that's basically all you have to do. All you have to do is provide the 6-digit code that PayPal will send to your mobile phone. And then after that, you got to change your password. And then once you have done that, then you can just go back here into the login right here. So you need to provide your email and your new password that you have just created just now when you forgot your password right here. So once you have done that, then you should be able to log in, no problem. But if you still don't have access to your account and there is still an error when you're logging in, then the only option you have left is going here in the below. You see here, contact us right here. You have the contact us button right here. It's very small, but you can see it, contact us. You want to click on it and you will be prompted right here. So what can we help you with? You want to go here in password and account access, login problems. And from here, you want to download this video. You want to watch this. And in this case, we won't do that yet because we're just going to go here. And I can just show you right here. I forgot my password. How do I reset it? Blah, blah, blah. You need to go and read this first and understand it right here. So forget password. We already did this. And if you still need help, we recommend you to call us. We'll answer as soon as we recommend. And you can call it if you have access to this one. This is another way. Or you can also message PayPal if you want. So you would need to send an email. And that's basically it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.